How to download Wise Bank statement. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So here, we in the settings interface. Here, you can find different options and can even customize it. Now, if you slowly scroll down, there's a section of statements and reports. Simply tap on it. So basically this is the place where you can easily export and find all the statements. Here you can even categorize and even filter out different statements. So it will take some time. Now here you can easily customize and download the reports or the statements that you want. Here you can select the start and end date and at last hit on download. So all the statement will be downloaded. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.